Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Happiness Club. Today's topic is fight negativity. As we all know, before we try to fight or try to eliminate any problem in our life, we should know the problem really well. I think negativity as a trait has been there for a long time with humans. I think just like any other trait that is God given to us, it sort of started off as a positive thing. It helped us in some or the other way, but as we developed into modern humans, we sort of made it very complex in nature. As it would have happened, I'm sure some of you know about the stress hormone. It was there for a purpose, which is like very useful to people living in jungles and wildernesses, where it helped us in case something is attacking us. The stress hormone sort of triggers in our body, and it helps us run away and escape that situation. And I think negative would have started in something like that. Think about it. If when we were primates in the course of evolution, we had jungles around us, and we could be attacked any part of the jungle or whatever habitat we were in. And at that point in time, it might have been very important to be slightly skeptical of our surroundings, slightly cautious about what's going on around us. But as the modern humanity progressed, maybe let's look at when we reached the farming stage, a couple of years we probably received good crop, and we thought that rain is good. But suddenly at a certain point in time we received rain, and we might have destroyed our crop, and we would have been like negative about the rain for some time. So all these things might have affected us at different stages. But today the biggest problem in the communication era, the huge modern era that we see, we have cell phones, we have got internet, social media, a lot of information is around us, and unfortunately a lot of information is actually incorrect or fake. They're made to be very skewed at a certain kind of a angle, maybe targeting a certain community, maybe targeting a certain kind of people, maybe targeting it to make it bigger than it seems. And we have seen that time and again. What it leads to is we become slightly negative about a lot of things around us because there is so much of information, and at times it is wrong. The office culture, the spoiled relationship between parents and children, the teacher and student, the spouses as well. So that sort of creates a bit of a negative emotion around us. Now the thing is that how do we fight this? Now I have also gone through discussions with a lot of people about what is the flow of it. A lot of people claim to be that if you are not thinking negative things won't happen. Negative thoughts bring negative things. I don't think there is really a flow of this thoughts, situations, environment, or people. It can come from any angle. The problem is we make it big, we make it very negative for us. And the tool, why I say it is also a tool, is that it's our mind, it's us who can actually convert this negative thoughts into something positive. And that's what is the essence of fighting negativity. Now I give you a little acronym to remember, and that will also be the solution for this negativity. And I follow it, it works for me. T, C and S. No, it is not the global conglomerate and the proud of our country. I'm talking about T for throw, C for come out or chase out, and S for shun. So throw away the negative thoughts, the negative people. As soon as they enter your life, they don't contribute anything. They rather destroy you from within. C, come out or chase out. Again, as soon as you are in a negative environment, in a negative situation, you realize that, come out of it. Do not wait, do not try to think that, oh, it will be okay. If it fixes, fine. But before you get affected, come out of it. And shun out in the first instance. In the first instance that you feel negativity, you see negativity, shun that. Don't add that to your life. Don't make it a part of your life. Because we at times think a slightly selfish way, where we think that, if I go along, if I play along, things will be okay. It isn't. If it has to be okay, take some constructive steps and try and work it out. So remember the TCS. At the same point in time, add certain things to your life. For example, respect. If you respect people, if you respect yourself, you will see that your whole environment is of respect. You would like people who respect things, respect people. And immediately, if you don't see people doing that, you will sort of get away from that situation. Gratitude. Be gratified in life. Be appreciative of things, the helps that you get from other people, the help that you do to people. The whole environment of gratitude is very fulfilling in nature, and that's what humans are all about. We are not meant to be negative. We're not meant to be living a negative life. We don't deserve it. So stay positive, and I will see you at the discussion on 19th of June, Saturday, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, or if you have any stories where you have fought negativity, let me know in the comment or join the session. Till then, take care. Namaskar.